Hi, I'm Wongster1970 and today I'm going to be unboxing the set of exhaust headers by Dynovox. These are for a 1999 to 2004 Ford F150 with the 5.4 liter. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's open this up, see what we got. Looks like everyone is individually wrapped. These are long tube headers. Let me get these out of the box and then we'll go through each one. Okay, let's get these out of the packaging. There we go. These headers are crafted from premium 304 stainless steel. These headers offer exceptional durability and resistance to harsh driving conditions. The laser cut 3/8 inch steel flange ensures a precise leak-proof seal. They're performance engineered specifically for Ford V8 engines. These headers provide a noticeable boost in horsepower, particularly from idle to mid-range RPMs, enhancing overall vehicle performance and efficiency. This here is the right side or passenger side exhaust header. There's the mounting flange for the exit. See the welding on it. And I checked the flange. One of the things I've noticed before, sometimes you'll get these exhaust headers and this mounting flange is warped. Makes it hard to get it to seal. You can see on here it's nice and flat. This is the passenger side header. Nice welds down there. Mounting flange. Let's see what this one looks like. It seems to be pretty far in there also. This is your mount for your EGR tube. See what came in the bag. So in the bag you have exhaust manifold gaskets. You have 2 donuts for the collectors and studs and nuts. The diameter of the pipes here is 1.625 and the exhaust pipe exit size is 2 inches. They're made out of 304 stainless steel and they come with a 3-year warranty. We have these collector pipes. I thought that maybe they were kind of like converters, but they're not. But they do have O2 bungs in them. I guess an upstream and a downstream. Same with this one. See, there's nothing in there. Oh, it must be a resonator. See if there is some resonator in there. A baffle of some sort. And you can see that there's nothing in there. It looks like just a baffle. But these look like they're two sensor bungs or plugs. And that's basically just a collector. See the welds on this? It's nice welds. And here's the other one. Welded in here. See the weld inside of there. And that's basically it. You get your two header pipes, long tube headers, and your two collectors.